Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing everything, and today I have something fun to show you. I have a new book that just came out called the Beginner's Fashion Design Studio. Easy templates for drawing fashion favorites. If you draw characters and you want them not to look so ordinary, this is a great place to start. It's a beginner's guide because everything is shown according to simple principles. And you'll start to learn that the simple principles are actually the ones that work. They make the impact. The little fine touches, those are great, but that doesn't really create the drawing. It's all very step by step. Let me go to some bodies. Here we learn how to shift the hips to one side to give a little angle to posture, which is really important. Because if the posture isn't good, the clothes won't look good in the character. Some symmetrical drawings, see, it's very symmetrical. Both arms positioned the same. Both legs positioned the same way. It gives a certain look. We work on the posture, the dynamics of the sway of the back and the front of the hips moving out. And here's that catwalk look. All done with hip tilts and the shoulder moving up and down. Cuts of the dresses. We also have a lot of stuff here, in all different characters, constantly changing characters, so you have a lot of variety. And the guys, how to draw some modern looking characters, modern suits, vests, casual but the stylish wardrobe, and jackets. And a lot of stuff that you can learn to draw yourself once you get the idea of how the jacket is cut. There's a special look to it that you need to know, and once you get that, it'll be instinctive. So this is out right now. I really enjoyed doing this. Very colorful, a lot of fun. You learn how to draw with a lot of flow. And it's called, again, the Beginner's Fashion Design Studio. Easy templates for drawing fashion favorites by, look at that, look at that, look at that. Christopher Hart, that's me, Christopher Hart. So I hope you look for it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, everywhere, independent bookstores too. It's all around. Thank you for taking a look, and now back to the drawing show. Look for my next video. Bye-bye.